Hi guys, I'm going to present a display, LCD display. This is 20 character and 4 lines, 4 rows. I'll be using this two different method of displaying this. One is using connecting individual wires where it needs every pin to be connected to Arduino. Another way will be I'll be using a IC2 I2C serial interface which just uses 2 lines to display the characters. So let's see how it is working. So we'll first go with 4 wires, all wires mechanism where you need to connect all the 16 wires. So if you look into this LCD, if you can look this, it has got 16 connections. This is so this is a ground, this is a 5 volt, and we have data pins here, and then again 5 volt and ground pins. So, there will be a display control here also. So let's see how the connection looks like. So as you can see, so this is the connection. These 4 wires. Let's move to the program. This is a program. So this is a program where you connect all the wires from LCD to Arduino. So you can see D7, D6, D5, D4 enable pin and reset pin are connected to Arduino, 6 wires. Rest of the pins are connected either to 5 volt or ground pin, and one pin is controlling the display. So as you can see here, just look at this. It will start with D4, D5, D6 and D7 enable and reset pin. So I'll be connecting this to this one. So if you can see here, it is D7, D6, D4 and D5. The 4 pin I'll be connecting here, and the 4th pin and the 6th pin I'll be connected to Arduino. So as you can see here, this is a program for the 20 character and 4 rows. So we'll be connecting this 4 wires. So pin 2 is connected for D6, 7, pin 3 is connected to D6, pin 4 is D5, pin 5 is D4, enable pin is 6 and reset pin is pin 7. Rest of the pins are connected this one. So as you can see here, each and every individual wires are connected, and this is controlling the display. So what I did is, using this, I made a little adapter which can be directly connected to the display. So it's internally connected to other pins. This will control the display, and rest of the wires I'm going to connect to. So this will be my 5 volt. This is my ground pin. So as you can see, the 4 wires are connected: D7, D4, D4, D5, D6, D7. Then I'm going to connect pin 4, and pin 6. So this pin 5 is controlling the display. So pin 5 is internally connected to this register which will control the display. So let us connect this to Arduino. So friends, as you can see, I connected D4 to D7 directly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are connected to pin 4 and 6. So let's power on the Arduino. This is a program I'm going to upload. So let us change. So as you can see here, it's displaying. So this is being displayed here. So as you can see, we don't have to connect individual wires. You can put a little adapter here and attach a 5K register which will control the display. So if I move it, so you can see here, so this is the display. This is more or less perfect display. So this is using only 6 wires. Other rest of the wires are power wires or display control wires. So we can even design our custom character also. So let's see if we can. So this is another version of the program where we can display a custom character also. So let's upload this program and see how the custom character looks. So as you can see here, this is custom characters. So this character is defined in another language. So friend, just to repeat the connection here, don't look at this. This is showing D0, D1, D2, D3. So start with looking at this program. So this is the actual connection, and this is a corresponding pin here. So rest of the pins I'll explain just one second. So As you can see, the first two pins are one is ground, this is 5 volt. This pin, the pin 3 is controlling the display, so you can make a 5 volt and put a voltage divider to connect it. Pin 4 is 7, then next pin 5 is ground, then pin 6 is going to pin 6 of Arduino. Rest of are free, pins are free. Then D4, D5, D6 and D7 are connected to 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is 5 volt at next one, and then the last pin is ground pin. So this is the way you can connect it, and there is no much difference. If you are using a 16 character LCD, you just change it here. I'm sorry, this is wrong, this should be 20, so that's okay. So you make it 16 and then 2, it will be working fine. So let's change this program and use this adapter, serial adapter. By using just 2 pins, we are going to control the display. So I made a little connection here. I'm going to take out and I'm going to connect this to my, and what I'm going to do is going to ground pin 5 volt, A4 and A5, which are SCL and SDA pin. So this is my connection using the serial interface I2C. So if you are using a serial interface, make sure that you download the library from the seller site. There is a library which you can download, and it can coexist with the old library, which is used for displaying all the wires connected. So make sure that this library is connected if you are using a serial interface. This is equally going to work for 4-line display as well as 2 lines display. And make sure that there are 2 changes we need to do. This is the device address, which is generally 27, but you can use a Arduino scanning program. It will tell you the address of the device, but you can try with this 27 and it should work. Don't disturb the rest of the connections, okay? And the rest of the things you can adjust as per your type of LCD. So let's see, I'm going to display type to display, use serial monitor. This will be displayed here. So there will be 4 lines, and this is a declaration for my 20 character 4 lines. So if you are using it, you can make it 16 and 2 for 2-line LCD. So let's upload this program and see how this is working. So as you can see here, friends, it's displaying all the 4 lines which we included. So if you are going to address the lines, you have to address with 01, 02, 02, 01, 00, 01, 02 and 03. 03 is line 4, starting with the first position, character first position. So as you can see here, it's just using the 4 wires, serial interface using 4 wires to control the display. So it's just going to take 2 pins from Arduino, whereas the previous one doesn't require any interface, serial interface device, but he's using that's going to use around 6 wires, minimum 6 wires, and rest of the things you can use design is interface like this to avoid connectivity, which is going to share the ground and the positive voltage 5 voltage along with others, and there is a direct control of third pin which will control the display if you're not using the serial interface. So hope this is going to help you to design your display for Arduino robotics. So we have learned here 2 type of display. One is parallel interface, another one is a serial interface. The same is going to work for your 16 character 2 line also. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. Bye.